Easements define how others can use your land. Today, we are breaking down the two main types you need to know about. An easement is a legal right to use someone else's property for a specific purpose. It is a critical part of real estate law. The main difference is what the easement is attached to, the physical land or a specific person or company. Utility companies frequently hold easements in gross to maintain power lines or pipes, while driveway access is usually tied to the land itself. When you have an appurtenant easement, the right to use the neighbor's land is tied to your property deed, not your name. Easements in gross are personal. If you grant a neighbor permission to fish in your pond, that is a personal easement that likely ends if they move. Every homeowner should review their title report carefully. Easements can significantly impact your ability to build or renovate on your own property. Remember, an easement allows usage, but it does not grant ownership. Always consult a real estate attorney if you have questions about your land. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand your property rights, hit subscribe and save this for your next home buying journey.